Mountains, oceans, forests, rivers, storms. The natural world is beautiful. Today you will learn how to talk about nature and the environment in English. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Nature vocabulary is useful for travel, stories, and conversations. People love talking about nature. Today you join that conversation. Let's start. Section 1. Landscapes and features. Let's learn the words for places in nature. Mountain, a very high area of land. We hiked up the mountain. Hill, a smaller raised area. There are green hills in the countryside. Valley, the low area between mountains. The river flows through the valley. Forest, a large area with many trees. The forest is full of wildlife. Jungle, a dense tropical forest. Jaguars live in the jungle. Desert, a hot, dry area with little water. The Sahara is the world's largest desert. Ocean, the largest body of salt water. I love swimming in the ocean. Lake, a large body of water surrounded by land. We fished at the lake. River, moving water flowing to the sea. The Amazon River is the longest. Beach, the sandy area by the ocean. Let's go to the beach. Practice. Name 3 things you can find in a forest. Trees, animals, rivers. Excellent. Section 2. Weather and sky. Weather is one of the most common conversation topics in English. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's raining. It's snowing. There is a storm. A storm has strong wind and rain. There is a thunderstorm. That means lightning and thunder. It's foggy. Fog is a thick cloud close to the ground. It's windy. There's a strong breeze. A breeze is a gentle wind. It's freezing. Very, very cold. It's boiling. Very, very hot. Some amazing weather events. There was a flood. Water covered the land. There was a drought. No rain for a long time. Practice. Describe today's weather where you are. Say 1 sentence. For example, it's cloudy and cold today. Your turn. Section 3. Environment and nature protection. These words are important in modern conversations. Climate change. The world's temperature is rising. Pollution. Dirty air, water, or land from chemicals or waste. Recycle. To use materials again. We should recycle plastic. Renewable energy, power from sun, wind, or water. Wildlife, wild animals living in nature. We must protect wildlife. Endangered species, animals that might disappear. The tiger is an endangered species. Deforestation, cutting down too many forests. Carbon footprint, the amount of pollution one person creates. Practice. Name 1 environmental problem in your country. Say it in English. Great. Now you are talking about real issues. Recap. Landscapes, mountain, valley, forest, ocean, lake, river, beach. Weather, sunny, cloudy, stormy, freezing, boiling, windy. Environment, climate change, pollution, recycle, wildlife. These words will help you in any conversation about the world. What is your favorite place in nature? Write it in the comments. Tell me why you love it. Use English. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.